In this tutorial you will learn to use an Audit Master to conduct an audit. From the Audit menu, choose Add New Audit. Select the audit template to use. Give your audit a title. Select a person who will oversee the audit or the audit owner. If a contractor is involved, you could select the contractor here. Choose the department that is being audited and choose a site. In the location, you can type a more specific location using free text. Choose a person who will conduct the audit. If you are auditing a risk or a hazard as part of the audit, then choose that from the list here. The start date will default to the current date. If you would like the audit to start later than today, you can change that date. This is the due date. If there is a particular work activity, you can type this here in a free text. And if there is a particular task involved, if you have tasks set up in Risk Manager, you could choose the task from here. The description allows you to give a full description of the purpose of the audit. Once you've completed all the necessary fields, click Add. You'll be taken to the audit summary page. On the left-hand side, you can see the audit detail that you have already entered, and on the right-hand side, you can see some additional information that you can provide. The next step would be to answer the audit element questions. Each of these audit elements are categories under which there may be one or more questions. To answer a question, click Select next to the category. The question will be displayed along with your answer or response area. Click the response, and you'll notice that the C means compulsory. You may also attach a document if necessary. You also have space to add comments. And once you have completed that, click Next Element to go to the next element. Answer the questions again. Provide comments if required. And if you do not want to complete the audit at this time, you don't want to go on further, or you don't want to make any decisions at this point, you can return and your questions will remain intact, or you can cancel and your questions will be returned back to no answer. We'll complete, and you will be returned to the audit summary page where you can see the audit elements have been answered and have been given a score. The 100% score indicates that either all questions have been answered with a yes, or in some cases a not applicable can also be deemed as pass. If there were questions answered no, then these would be taken into account and the percentage would be adjusted accordingly. On the left-hand side, you can also see the audit findings area has an overall score. Closing the audit is the responsibility of the audit owner. I'll show you how to do this in another session.